Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome, everyone, and welcome, Nexo. This is a speaking class to practice oral expression. We will use what we learned before, countries, and the grammar, personal pronouns, and the verb to be. We will do it with 3 exercises.
Great, Emma. I am ready to speak and repeat.
First, shadowing helps you listen and repeat with a natural rhythm. Next, read aloud helps you read clearly and practice pronunciation. Finally, describe the picture helps you speak about what you see using simple sentences.
That sounds useful. Short steps are good for me.
Perfect. Let's start with shadowing. Listen carefully, then repeat. Shadowing. In shadowing, you listen and repeat after each phrase. Try to copy the sound and the rhythm.
Okay, I will listen first and repeat after you.
I'm ready. You are ready too. He is from Spain. She is from France. It is a small map. We are in class. They are my friends. I am not tired. She isn't from Italy. Are you from Canada? Yes, I am. No, he isn't. We're happy today. They're from Brazil. This is England. Japan is far away. Read aloud. Good work with shadowing. Now we move to read aloud. Nexo will read the text first, and then you should pause the video and read aloud calmly.
I am ready, Emma. I will read slowly and clearly. My name is Leo, and I am from Spain. Today, I am in a small English class. Emma is my teacher, and Nexo is my friend. We are happy because the lesson is simple. After class, we look at a map. France, Italy, and Japan are on the wall, and they are beautiful names to say.
Well done, Nexo. You did it very well.
Thank you. The short sentences helped me.
Now it is your turn. Pause the video and read the text aloud. Describe the picture. Great job, everyone. Now we will describe the picture. Look at the image and try to use the vocabulary shown and the grammar we studied.
I will try first. I can use simple sentences.
Exactly. Nexo will describe it first, and after that, it is your turn.
In the picture, Emma and Nexo are in a bright classroom. They are next to a big map. On the wall, there are flags from Spain, France, Italy, Japan, Brazil, Mexico, Canada, Egypt, India, Australia, and England. Nexo is holding a card, and Emma is smiling. The room is friendly. It is not big, but it is colorful. There are 3 students at a table, and they are ready to speak English.
Nice description, Nexo. You used clear and simple ideas.
Thanks. It is easier when I look at the picture carefully.
Now it is your turn. Pause the video and describe the picture in your own way, using the words shown. Do not make it complicated. Use short, simple sentences. For example, Spain. Spain is on the map. Canada. Canada is on the wall. Now pause and speak. Little by little, you will do it better.